Among the many features of a kitchen, the faucet is a critical player, often overlooked until the time comes for a replacement or upgrade. The cost to install a kitchen faucet can vary based on the styles and features available. The cost to install a kitchen faucet typically ranges from $150 to $400, including labor and materials, with variations depending on faucet type, the complexity of installation, and regional pricing differences. Understanding the ins and outs of kitchen faucet installation is essential for making informed decisions that align with your budget and preferences. We'll explore the various elements contributing to the cost of installing a kitchen faucet, offering insights and tips to guide you through your kitchen renovation journey. Types of kitchen faucets and their cost. Selecting a kitchen faucet is an integral part of kitchen design, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The type of faucet you choose can have a considerable impact on the installation cost. Here's an overview of common faucet types and their associated costs. Pull-down faucets, known for their high arc spouts and pull-down spray heads, these are versatile and user-friendly. Prices can range from $100 to $500. Pull-out faucets, similar to pull-down types but with a shorter spout, pull-out faucets are great for limited spaces and range from $150 to $400. Single-handle faucets, offering simplicity and ease of use. Single-handle faucets allow control of temperature and flow with one lever. They typically cost between $50 and $300. Double-handle faucets, these classic faucets provide separate handles for hot and cold water and can vary from $50 to over $350, depending on material and design. Touchless/motion detecting faucets, using sensors to start and stop water flow, these faucets offer a high-tech, sanitary option but can be expensive, ranging from $200 to $600. Commercial-style faucets, mimicking the functionality of a professional kitchen, these faucets are tall with a high-pressure sprayer and can cost between $150 and $800. Pot filler faucets, mounted over the stove for filling pots, these add convenience but are an additional cost, ranging from $100 to $500, not including the potential extra plumbing required. Bar faucets, smaller than standard kitchen faucets, these are designed for home bars or kitchen islands and typically run from $80 to $400. Faucet and accessory combos, combining faucets with accessories like soap dispensers or integrated sprayers can increase costs, with combos starting around $150 to $700. Each faucet type comes with its own set of installation challenges and may require different accessories or plumbing modifications, influencing the overall cost. High-end brands and finishes will also drive prices up. It's essential to align your choice with both your kitchen's needs and your budget to find the best fit. Factors influencing the cost of faucet installation. The cost of installing a kitchen faucet is not a fixed number. Several factors come into play that can significantly affect the final price. Here are some key considerations that homeowners should be aware of. Type of faucet. The market offers a wide range of faucet types, from basic models to high-end units with advanced features like touchless operation or water filtration. Typically, the more sophisticated the faucet, the higher the cost. Complexity of installation. Some faucets require simple swap-outs, while others involve complex new setups. Additional labor for modifying existing plumbing can increase the installation cost. Labor costs. Hiring a professional plumber will ensure the job is done correctly but will add to the overall expense. Rates can vary widely depending on the region and the plumber's experience level. Materials needed. Beyond the faucet, other materials such as new supply lines, valves, or mounting hardware may be required, contributing to the cost. Condition of existing plumbing. Older homes might need updates to existing plumbing to accommodate new faucets, potentially adding to the installation bill. Additional features. Features such as built-in water filters, hot water dispensers, or soap dispensers will require more complex installation and therefore may cost more. Local market rates. Depending on where you live, the cost of plumbing services can vary significantly. Urban areas tend to have higher rates than rural locations. Permit requirements. In some cases, local regulations may require permits for plumbing work, which can also add to the cost. Urgency of installation. If you need urgent or emergency installation services, you may have to pay a premium for expedited work. Warranty or service plans. Opting for an extended warranty or service plan can provide peace of mind but will also affect the overall cost. By considering these factors, homeowners can better anticipate the costs associated with installing a new kitchen faucet and budget accordingly. It's always advisable to get multiple quotes and understand the full scope of work before making a decision. Price range for professional faucet installation. The price range for professional kitchen faucet installation can vary significantly based on several factors, including geographic location, type of faucet, and the complexity of the job. On average, homeowners can expect to pay between $150 and $600 for the installation. Standard installations tend to be on the lower end, while installations requiring new plumbing work, luxury faucets, or modifications to countertops or sinks will be at the higher end of the spectrum. Always obtain multiple quotes to ensure competitive pricing, and check references to ensure quality work. Additional costs to consider when installing a faucet. When installing a kitchen faucet, it's important to be aware of potential additional costs that could arise beyond just the price of the faucet and basic installation fees. Here are some additional expenses you may need to consider. Plumbing updates. If your current plumbing system needs an upgrade to accommodate the new faucet, this can add to the cost. Water supply lines. Sometimes, new supply lines are required if the existing ones are not compatible or are worn out. Shut-off valves. If your shut-off valves are old or not functioning properly, they may need replacing. Mounting hardware. Certain types of faucets may come with specific mounting requirements that could necessitate the purchase of additional hardware. Countertop modification. If the new faucet layout differs from the old one, it may require alterations to your countertop, which can be costly. Sink replacement. In some cases, a new faucet installation might also lead to a full sink replacement, especially if the new faucet doesn't fit the existing setup. Disposal of the old faucet. There might be a small fee for disposing of the old faucet and associated hardware. Emergency fees. If you need the installation done urgently, you may incur additional costs for expedited service. Final thoughts. Installing a kitchen faucet is a task that requires consideration of various factors, including type, style, functionality, and budget. An informed decision hinges on understanding the full scope of the project, from the initial selection of the faucet to the final touches of installation. By taking into account the potential additional costs, labor fees, and the complexity of the job, homeowners can set realistic expectations and budget accordingly. Don't hesitate to seek advice from professionals, read reviews, and shop around to find the best deal that does not compromise on quality. With the right approach, your kitchen faucet installation can be a seamless process that results in a functional, stylish, and enduring addition to your kitchen.